how to get more sales on RedBubble. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get more sales on RedBubble. So as you can see, this is the home page, and if you want to make a design that actually make a sale, all what you have to do is to go here to the search bar and click on any word on your keyboard like this, and now you should go here and choose one of those, for example this one, and now you should make a design about this specific keyword, and I am sure that you will have a sale as soon as possible if you did this. Let's try again. If you write B, now click here on choose one of those three, and here you go. Now you should make a design about this one. As you can see, the competition is low, as you can see. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.